In this video, you'll learn how to link Zoom to Slack. This process will enable you to integrate Zoom functionalities directly into your Slack workspace, allowing for more efficient communication and collaboration. Follow these steps carefully to complete the integration successfully. Start by navigating to the Slack application on your device. Open Slack and look for the option to send a new message. Once you are in the Slack interface, locate the new message button, typically found in the left sidebar. Click on this button to open a new message window where you can initiate the linking process. Next, find and click on the admin option within the Slack interface. This section is usually accessible from the sidebar or the top menu, depending on your version of Slack. After clicking on admin, you will be directed to the administrative settings page where you can manage your workspace settings. After that, select workspace settings from the list of options available. This section allows you to configure various aspects of your Slack workspace. Upon clicking this, the settings page will load, presenting you with several tabs and options to choose from. Once the workspace settings page appears, look for the integrations tab. Click on this option to access the integration settings for your Slack workspace. Here you can manage and add various applications that work with Slack, including Zoom. Now click on the section labeled Recommended Apps. This will display a list of applications that are suggested for integration with your workspace. After clicking this, a new screen will load, showcasing various recommended applications available for integration. Next, you will need to type Zoom into the search bar provided on the Recommended Apps page. This search functionality will help you locate the Zoom app quickly. Once you type in the name, you should see Zoom appear in the search results. After finding Zoom in the search results, click on the Zoom application. This action will take you to the Zoom app's integration page where you can proceed with the installation process. Ensure you are on the correct page by verifying that the Zoom logo is visible. Now click on the Install button to initiate the installation of the Zoom integration. Once you click this, you may see a confirmation prompt or loading indicator as the installation process begins. Wait for the confirmation that the app is being added to your workspace. Following the installation, you will be directed to a page with an Add to Slack button. Click on this button to finalize the integration of Zoom into your Slack workspace. After clicking, the integration process will continue, and you should receive a confirmation once it is completed. Finally, if you would like to try adding Zoom to Slack yourself, I have placed a link in the description and pinned comment below. This link will direct you to the Zoom integration page for Slack, making it easier for you to follow along with these instructions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.